my name is Yanika. Welcome to the White Cliffs of Dover. From here you can see the cliffs that are very beautiful. It feels very peaceful and calm. So in Dover there's the port where the ferry comes from the French coast, from the French port, from Calais, and enters in Dover. It is nice to have a walk on these white cliffs. Prepare your good shoes, especially when it's muddy. And it will be very nice when it's a sunny day, but still prepare the jacket because it's still very cold. And it's nice to enjoy a picnic as well with these beautiful views. A quick vlog. I am in Doncaster. I left London King's Cross at around 10:33 with a train. It was crazy on this train. I wasn't sure that this was gonna run because in York and Leeds there's flooding with the rain. That's what I heard on the news. Being on travel, it's not always enjoying your trip and having fun. But things can happen, like getting sick, you know, and you need to be prepared. You can enjoy it as it can be, but this time I wasn't enjoying it as it should be on the travel, but I was taking ginger and lemon tea, and now I had to go to the pharmacy to buy some pills to get recovered more quickly because this cough and running nose and my throat that was too painful wasn't helping, especially during the night time. Now I feel better. I already took one a couple of hours ago before leaving from London to Doncaster. Now so excited to meet my friend after some while, and hopefully the weather will hold for this couple of days. Apart, it's very cloudy up here, not like London. This morning it was very sunny, and thank God that the train was working for today, and it didn't stop or get much more delayed because of the floods in York. Now leaving Doncaster to visit my friend for a night or two. Hopefully I can get her to arrange the train return ticket to London instead of tomorrow. It will be on the day after. Hopefully it won't be that expensive, so I need to check that online.
Leaving the train at Southend Seoul. Please be aware.
Talk about the trip in UK for this November. It has been a very well 2 nights in York, Southampton, Wakefield and Doncaster. So yes, I managed to buy another ticket from Doncaster to London for the Sunday. It cost cheaper. I didn't change it from Saturday to Sunday. It was too more expensive doing that than buying the new one. So yeah, I bought a new ticket, so I spent it tonight in Southampton with my friends. I really loved it there. I enjoyed my birthday as well, and it was a very nice day doing shopping. The sickness, the flu and the cold wasn't that easy just to be around, but we managed to keep it very light in Wakefield at the shopping center as well. The floods didn't affect my travels, neither for the trains, neither for the living with the family. And also, I saw some floods in the fields while being on the railway, but it didn't affect the traveling for the train. So on Sunday, I traveled back to London. I spent a day in London with my aunt. Still wasn't feeling that well, as it was really painful with my headache, the flu and everything. But I really enjoyed because it was a nice weather, so we had a walk in the Holland Park as well. And we went to an art museum. So yeah, I spent a very nice time with my aunt. Then traveled back to Maidstone for the rest of the night. And the last day, it was a day in Maidstone and packing my luggage. It was a very nice trip. I wasn't prepared to be sick, but I got over it. Now I'm feeling a lot better traveling back home. And I am very happy and grateful that I've been here and had this experience. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe, like my Facebook page, and keep in touch. Bye!